Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE motherboards. Both of these motherboards are designed for high-performance gaming and computing, featuring the latest technology to support AMD Ryzen processors. In this video, we will explore their similarities and differences to help you make an informed decision. The GIGABYTE E650 AORUS Elite AX features a standard dark color scheme, which is typical for gaming motherboards. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE stands out with its unique snow white aesthetic. This difference in color scheme not only affects the visual appeal, but also the overall theme of your build, especially if you prefer a lighter color palette. When it comes to storage expansion, the GIGABYTE E650 AORUS Elite AX offers a standard number of M.2 slots, which are essential for high-speed SSDs. However, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE takes it a step further by providing 3 M.2 slots, allowing for greater flexibility and capacity in storage options, which is a significant advantage for gamers and content creators who require fast data access. Both motherboards share similar specifications, including support for AMD Ryzen processors, DDR5 memory, and PCIe 5.0. However, there are minor differences in their VRM designs that could lead to slight variations in performance. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is known for its robust power delivery system, while the ICE variant may feature enhanced cooling solutions, making it potentially more suitable for overclocking. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE motherboards offer excellent features for gamers and PC builders. The choice between them ultimately comes down to personal preference regarding aesthetics and specific feature requirements. If you prefer a unique look and additional M.2 slots, the ICE variant is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.